Hello and welcome to our next video on the question of the day from actual IPMAT Indore 2024 QA MCQ section. Alright, so today's question is from probability, okay, and probability which also involves arrangement around circular table. So let's look at the question. If 5 boys and 3 girls randomly sit around a circular table, the probability that there will be at least one boy sitting between any two girls is. Now, here the probability that we are looking for is the probability that there should be at least one boy sitting between any two girls. So, first of all, the total cases here that would be required. So, the total arrangements possible as per the given condition. So, the total arrangements would be calculated as 5 boys and 3 girls randomly sit around a circular table. So there are 8 people sitting randomly around a circular table. That can be calculated as the total arrangements that we'll get would be 8 minus 1 factorial, that is nothing but 7 factorial. So the total arrangements possible are 7 factorial, out of which we have to calculate the favorable ones wherein there is at least one boy sitting between any two girls. So how many favorable arrangements do we have? So favorable arrangements would mean, first of all, that the boys are made to sit and between any two boys there's only one chair for a girl. So that would ensure that wherever a girl goes and sits, there would be at least one boy between any two girls, right? So whenever you have to separate out a group of people, you make the other ones sit first and put only one chair in between. So what we are going to do is we are first going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boys sit, and between those boys there are going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 chairs. In these 5 chairs, girls can pick and arrange themselves in any of the 3 chairs, okay? So the 5 boys can arrange themselves in how many ways? It's a circular arrangement. So 5 boys can arrange themselves in 4 factorial ways. The boys can arrange themselves in 4 factorial ways because they are going and sitting first. But once the boys have taken place, the girls, the 5 chairs for girls are unique. So they can't be treated as circular arrangement now because each one would have a unique identity. Okay. So the girls can simply arrange themselves in 5p3 ways in these 5 chairs, right? So that would be how many? So 4 factorial into 5p3 is 5 into 4 into 3. These would be the favorable arrangements wherein there is at least one boy sitting between any two girls, and therefore the probability that we are looking for, the probability of at least one boy between two girls is equal to 4 factorial into 5 into 4 into 3 favorable cases upon the total cases, that is 7 factorial. So this would give me 7 factorial. Out of the 7 factorial, 4 factorial will get cancelled out and we'll have 5 into 4 into 3 upon 7 into 6 into 5. 5 and 5 gets cancelled. 3 goes once, 3 goes twice, 2 goes once, 2 goes twice, and ultimately what we are left with is 2 in the numerator and 7 in the denominator. Therefore, the answer to this question is a straightforward option B, that is 2 upon 7. So, if you have studied circular arrangements, if you have studied how to separate boys and girls and all such concepts in permutations and combinations, then you could have easily handled this question and got to the answer 2 by 7 and secured your 4 marks in this section. As I had mentioned in my earlier videos as well, the QA MCQ section of IPMAT Indore 2024 was more challenging than the last few years, right? So, and that is why the cutoff had also gone down. It had gone to 35 with 4 grace marks to every student. So effectively it was only 31 marks, So you had to understand that, such questions are low-lying fruits and you should make sure that you grab them in the first opportunity. This was a clear type A question, a question that you should be able to solve in the first attempt within 1 to 2 minutes. This question could have been completed within 2 minutes also. So I hope all of you have understood how to solve this question, and I hope this video has helped. Thank you very much and all the best in your preparation for IPMAT Indore 2025.